kami ngayon sa Giwan. But now we're leaving Giwan! We're leaving Giwan! But we're so happy kasi umalis kami sa Giwan just to interview people sa ISIS. Oh my gosh, may na yung oh my gosh, ano yung nagkakain kami ng sakit! Okay, now we're on Jumbo Bridge. It's so jumbo. Okay, so bridge. Jumbo! Come, wait! The place is so cool. First time ako dito, wala lang, may river. At may alaman. Oh, may river, may crocodile daw dyan. Amazon River, that one.
So, nasira lang sa ligaso natin.
Oh, sure!
People need to wake up and realize that we need to adore Mother Earth.
Yeah, okay, we're now leaving the Jumbo Bridge!
See the ISIS! Immaculate Conception Elementary School!
Sure, elementary. Okay, now we're on Tetuan. Again? Yesterday
Yeah.
we're here, but not on ISIS. On the other side of the world.
It's in Avalokita Square.
We might the school.
So, Candle's Way.
And then for
Pero
us.
ito nila yung baka.
Oh, grass. Gatse o puno. Gatse.
May katag-glass alya.
Oh, man. Okay, now you can see from our pedicab. And the tricycle.
And there are group mates.
Our duty major walking. We're going to eat sati, the best sati in town. Huh?
And the
Bakit?
best lugaw in town is there in the harapan ng bahay ng Martin.
Ulit-ulit. And then, what else? Say something about the place. Kasi we're just happy na instead of mag-duty kami sa G1, pumunta kami sa Tetuan
Para kumain ng sati!
may sense ba yun?
Pwede na. At i-upload yan ni IB after a year.
You're pressuring me.
Yo.
Anyway, there's my duty mate. They're holding some payong.
And us too. And it's full of fire. Yeah. Like, can put some in the air.
In the hangin. Okay, slow down.
Yeah.
Motorcycle goes.
Pepsi motorcycle party area.
We're going to the best place. And then, where are we now? Okay, that's our duty mate here. Say hi, Mars! Mars! Diane! They're not looking at the camera. Why is that? Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone.